Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started this NCERT math book. This book available in school. All of you take this book. Okay. Then in this NCERT book, yesterday we completed this first chapter. In this first chapter, one point is remains. See here, coin play. Coin play. Try doing this with your coin. Hold the coin like this. See coins. It is a coin of this 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin. Hold the coin like this. Hold the coin, this 1 rupees coin. Then hold the coin like this. Make the coin spin. Does it like a ball? Then this coin is in this type. Spin. Spin this coin. And does it like a ball? Does it like a ball? See, in this type. Does it like a ball? Yes. Does a coin roll? In this type. See here. Does a coin roll? Yes. Can you make a 1 rupee coin stand like this? It is a slide type. No. This 1 rupees coin roll. Try doing this same using a 2 rupee coin. You try. Do in home. This 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin. And you do this in this type. And this is this coin does a roll. Does it slide? You do this. This second one chapter, counting in groups. Second chapter, this counting in groups. Look and guess the number. Look and guess the number. First you counting in groups this. Can you guess here how many cups? How many groups are here? 4 groups. And here first groups here 1. Afterwards 2, 3, 4. Then you count here how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here how many cups? 10 cups. Then next figure you see. Can you guess here how many pairs of shoes? Only shoes, no. Pairs of shoes. See this 1 pair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pairs of shoes here? 9. Here 3 groups. How many groups here? 3 groups. And in one group here 3 pairs of these shoes. Then here 3 pairs means 3 3s are 9. Then here 9 pairs of shoes. 3 and 3 is 6 cups. 3 and 3 is 6 cups. And 4 cups below. This 1, 2, 3. This 3 and these 3 cups, 6 cups. And 4 is below. That should be 10 cups. Then next one see. There are 3 lines with 3 pairs of shoes in each line. That makes here 9 pairs of shoes. In each line, in here 3 pairs of shoes. Here 3 lines means 3 3s are 9 pairs of shoes. Look at how different things are kept in groups. Try to guess the total number without counting each thing. See here, kept in groups, these glasses. How many groups here? 4 groups. And in each group 3 glasses. Then 4 3s are 12 glasses. Then you write here how many glasses here? 12 glasses. Then see here, bangles. Here group of bangles. How many group of bangles here? 5 groups. And in each group how many bangles? 5 bangles. How many bangles here? 5 bangles. Then total how many bangles here? Total number of bangles 5 groups. In each group 5 bangles, means 5 into 5 is equal to 25 bangles. Next one figure you see here, dash pair of earrings. How many pairs? Firstly you see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many pairs of earrings here? 12 pairs of earrings. Next figure, there are 3 groups of spoons. How many groups of spoons here? 3 groups. But in each group how many spoons here? 8. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 3 groups, and in each group here 8 spoons. See here, then how many in each group? In each group how many spoons are there here? 8 spoons. 8 spoons. And here 3 groups. 3 groups means 3 into 8 is equal to 3 8s are 24 spoons. Then total number of spoons, this 24 spoons. Next it is more or less. Let us guess. You guess here which number more and which is less. Ring the correct answer. Number of teeth in your mouth. How many teeth in your mouth? 32. Then here more than 40? No. Less than 40? Yes. This 32 means this number. Less than 40? Then you correct here. Then next one, number of seeds in an orange. Here, number of seeds in an orange. In orange more than 50 seeds? No, less than 50 seeds. Next one, number of matchsticks in a matchbox. Number of matchsticks in a matchbox. See this next one, number of matchsticks in a matchbox. See this matchbox. In a matchbox, how many matchsticks? More than 30 or less than 30? You count this. Count these matchsticks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30. Then again remain here, means this matchsticks, number of matchsticks in a matchbox, more than 30 or less than 30? More than 30. You count. In your home matchbox is there, then you count how many matchsticks in a matchbox. This more than 30. The next one, see number of pencils in your class. Number of pencils in your class. See this, how many pencils? This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. This more than 40 or less than 40, all these pencils are less than 45. Here more than 45, less than 45, then this pencils less than 45. Next one, number of spokes in one cycle wheel. How many in one cycle wheel? This first wheel you see, how many spokes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 means this more than 20 or less than 20, this less than 20, then you ring this correct answer. Next one, this remaining part tomorrow.